In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Zoom by editing your profile name. So, whether you're looking to update your credentials or perhaps correct a spelling mistake, follow along as I guide you through this simple process. First things first, we need to head over to Zoom's official website. So, open up your preferred web browser and go to zoom.com. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Zoom dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things Zoom related. Next, let's navigate to the settings section. You'll find this option usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Simply click on it, and it will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your Zoom account. This page is designed to give you the flexibility to manage your account preferences ranging from security settings to profile information. Now, what we want to do is click on Profile. This tab will lead you to your profile page where all your personal information associated with your Zoom account is stored. You can manage and update your details here, giving you full control over how your information is displayed to others during Zoom calls. After accessing your profile page, look for the option that says Edit and click on it. Doing so will allow you to make changes to your personal information. This feature is particularly useful for those who need to alter their public-facing details for professional or personal reasons. Now that you've clicked on Edit, it's time to update your name. You'll notice fields for your first and last name, and this is where you can enter your new information. Additionally, there's an option to change your display name. This is the name that others will see during Zoom meetings, so adjust it according to your preference. Typing in your desired name in these fields makes it easy to ensure that your name is presented exactly how you want it across all your Zoom interactions. Once you're satisfied with the changes, there's only one step left. Save your new settings. So look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the page, and give it a click. This confirmatory action ensures that all the adjustments you made are securely updated in your profile, reflecting the new information the next time you join a meeting. And there you have it. Your Zoom profile name is all set. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your profile details right after saving to confirm everything looks just right. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy Zooming!